In this tutorial, we will show you how to capture data from any source for a real-time 360 view with GigaSpaces Cloud. At the end of the account creation process, you will get several links with access to your application. Click on GigaSpaces Ops Manager to access InsightEdge User Interface with monitoring of deployed services, space data discovery, and connection to data sources. Click on Connect to Data Source. First, select the data source and configure several sources and target parameters. Select MySQL as your source and fill the connection string, username, and password. Click on Next to connect and retrieve data. Select the required data tables and adjust properties names as needed. Now you are ready to download your blueprint code and deploy. After deployment, you will be able to monitor your services, including a stateful service with data and a mirror service to update back to MySQL. In addition, you can review your space with object types, properties, and indexes. Enjoy your free trial and innovate away. GigaSpaces.